Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Klarna Payment Provider in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This module for Odoo integrates Klarna's flexible and secure payment solution into your Odoo e-commerce platform. Klarna allows customers to pay later, pay in installments, or pay now, giving them more freedom and improving checkout conversion rates. This integration ensures real-time payment processing, automatic order updates, and a smooth user-friendly payment experience. Ideal for businesses looking to boost sales and customer satisfaction with Klarna's trusted global payment options. So first of all, we will go into the website module. Under configuration, we will go into the payment providers. Open that and here you will find the menu for Klarna. Open that payment provider and here you can see the state of this payment provider is disabled. So enable that, and under the credentials you need to add the Klarna username, Klarna password, and under that you will find a field to select the Klarna region. So I have selected North America right now. Now we will go into the home page and we will go into the shop, and I'm going to add some products into my cart. So I will be adding cable management box. So click on add to cart, click on view cart, and you will be redirected to the review order. Here you can see the product. Click on checkout, and here you can see the delivery method is standard delivery. So just confirm it by clicking on confirm, and here you need to choose a payment method. So we will be choosing Klarna as our payment method. Now click on pay now, and here you can see that your payment is loading. So here you can see it is saying just a moment, and here you just need to confirm and pay. So we are just going to click on pay with Klarna, and here you can see that your payment is processed. It is redirecting to your bank, and here you can see that your payment is successfully processed. Here you can see thank you for your order page. Under that you can see your order number, and under the payment information you can see the Klarna. Now under configuration we will go into the payment transactions, and we are going to see the transaction we just created. So open that, and here you can see the reference, payment, amount, payment method, provider, company, and everything in here regarding the transaction. You can see it is in confirmed state, and also you can see the smart button for sale order. If you click on that, you will be redirected to the sale order which is created from that transaction. Here you can see the order lines and everything in here, and in the chatter also you can see the history for your transaction. Now we will go into the home page, and we will be going into the Klarna account. Here you can see our Klarna account. Here you will find a menu for order manager. Click on that, and here you can see the all orders. Click on search orders. Under that you can see all the order. Here you can see the Klarna reference, order placed, you can see the date and time, you can see the expiry date and time, you can see the status is fully captured, you can see the value, or we can say amount, and besides that you can see the store and customer email. You can just click on reference and open the order. Here you can see the products and everything in here. Here you can see the customer details, and also you can see that it is fully captured. Now after this, again we will go into our Odoo homepage, and here we will go into the invoicing. Under here in invoicing we will go into the customers. Under customers you will find the menu for payments. So go into that, and here you can see the payment which we just created, and here you can see the payment type is receive. So now you can see the payment method, payment transaction, and everything. So now what we are going to do, we are going to refund this payment. So just click on refund, and here you can see the refund amount, maximum refund amount, and the refund amount. You can re-enter this refund amount. Now click on refund button, and you can see your refund is processing. Now if we go into the chatter, here you can see the transaction with this reference has been confirmed. A refund request has been sent. The payment will be created soon. Refund transaction references are sale order number 45. So now we will go into the website again. And you can also check in the invoicing, but we have come to the website. Under configuration, you will find a menu for payment transaction. Open that, and here you can see the refund sale order is created in here, indicating the refund is made. Here you can see the amount is in negative, indicating this is refunded. Here you can see everything, and you can see it is in confirmed state, indicating the refund is processed. So now what we are going to do, we are going to open this payment, and here you can see the payment number, and in the payment type you can see the payment type is send, indicating it has sent to the customer. Again, here you can see the amount, date, memo, journal, payment method, and everything in here. Now we will go into the Klarna account, and we are just going to refresh our page for the payment. And in here, besides fully capture, you can see one more tag, that is fully refund, indicating the refund has completed. In here also you can see the refund amount is this. Under that you can see one refund tab. Under that also you can see the product and its amount and the refund total amount. And in the activity log also you can see the merchant refunded with this amount is updated in here. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.